so I'm back in Fusion 360 and I just printed my first one of these, and the hole inside was about 1 mil too small. So what I want to do is down here it gives you your sketch history, so you can go back and you see as I hover over that, it highlights the feature. So up here has got that diameter, so that's what I want. So see that, and that's that diameter. So I'm going to double click on that and see how that says 25.4. I'm now just going to change that to 26.4, and that's changed the drawing, and then we finish the sketch, and that's now updated the part, so I can now export that and try another print. So yeah, it's just a matter of just trying things, so you'll get the hang of what things are. Awesome, thanks. So this is its printing, so that's the image that it's burning on. Most of all those were support materials, and you'll see that's lifting. And it burns the image on. Then it lifts up. And it repeats that, I don't know, 1,483 times. So that's a 3D printer. Awesome, cheers mate. And I've come in and I've had another successful print. Haven't had too many, but I haven't been able to print this part. Admittedly I was trying on the other printer, but we'll give that a go. So fantastic. So what I did differently is after Googling or YouTubing, found out there's a new slicer, which is the program that creates the supports in that, called Lychee, and I used the auto support function, and that was the result. So awesome. So after you take the prints out of 3D printer, you got to use a paint scraper to scrape them off, and then I put them into this washing bath, and I don't know if you can see, but there's a little wee magnetic stir under there, so this bath is full of isopropyl alcohol, and then that just cleans the parts and gets rid of all the excess resin. Then after we've done that, we take this off here and we put that reflector on there and the little turntable, and then we put the curing cover on the top, and it turns it into a UV curing station, and then that will cure the part. So so that's the second part of the process. These videos are going to be out of order because I'll start the next print going shortly. So now I've taken the print out of the washing bath. So I just got to let the alcohol dry off, and you can see all the support structure. So I just need to break all those off and cut those off. So the material is still not hardened or cured, so it'll be relatively easy to do that. They'll probably just break off, and then I can put it in the curing station. I'll cure that as well so that it's safe to dispose of. So it's all cleaned up now, so we've now just put it into the curing thing and let that cure. And those just all broke off by hand. I didn't need any tools. The bits are really fine where it comes in contact with the model, so shouldn't be too much clean up. It leaves a few like scratches and that, but yeah, so still learning on the times to cure them, but about 15 minutes. So now you got the part, so that fits in there nicely. Nice fit with that. Hopefully the next one will be a bit better, and that fits on there nicely like that. So what happens is you put a T-nut in here, and you put an 8mm cap screw in there, and then that will attach that to the aluminium extrusion. Then we can just use our 25mm pipe for adding things like paper towels, handrails, handles and things like that. So cool, there we go.